Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Here's our in-depth look at the Helix DNA testing kit, covering everything from its usage to the overall experience. Links to the product and other helpful resources are available in the description below. Helix distinguishes itself from other DNA testing services by offering a comprehensive platform that goes beyond typical ancestry or health reports. Think of it as a central hub for a wide variety of DNA-powered insights. Its marketplace provides access to an extensive catalog of tests, covering personalized health, wellness, ancestry, and even entertainment applications. This adaptable approach makes Helix a particularly compelling option for those seeking a multifaceted understanding of their DNA. The Helix process starts with a simple saliva collection kit. Once your sample is received and analyzed, Helix sequences your exome, the protein coding portion of your genome. This method provides significantly more detailed information than standard genotyping tests. This advanced sequencing technology allows Helix to securely store your genetic data, enabling you to explore various partner apps on the platform for specific insights without the need for repeated sample submissions. One of Helix's key strengths is its versatility. Users can choose from a broad selection of partner tests within the Helix marketplace. These tests cover a wide range of areas, including fitness optimization, nutritional guidance, sleep quality analysis, hereditary health risk assessments, and ancestry exploration. Popular apps like Mayo Clinic Gene Guide for health insights and DNA Fit for personalized fitness plans further enhance the platform's utility. This modular design allows users to pay only for the specific information they desire, making it a cost-effective and personalized experience. Helix is an especially good fit for individuals who prioritize flexibility and want to explore various aspects of their genetic makeup over time. It's also an excellent choice for those who prioritize accuracy, given its emphasis on comprehensive exome sequencing. However, it's important to note that the platform's full potential is realized when you're willing to invest in additional reports offered through the marketplace. In conclusion, Helix is an innovative DNA testing service that provides unparalleled flexibility and depth. Whether your interests lie in health, fitness, or ancestry, Helix offers a dynamic platform to unlock your genetic potential. Click the links in the description below to learn more and embark on your Helix journey today.